Empowerment of rural community can be done in various both in terms of government, institution, health, community economy, education, and technology. The purpose of empowerment is so that the community can be empowered, especially the economic empowerment of rural communities. Problems in the village are generally related to poverty as well as infrastructure problems. In line with the objective of the village SDGs, with the principle that no one is left behind, village community empowerment must involve all village community, including the marginalized, without anyone being left behind. According to data from the We Are Social website, especially regarding internet user in Indonesia, opportunity in the digital sector are very wide open, so that it is also possible to empower the community through information technology, so that people can adapt to the digital world and welcome the opportunity that exists. This article was written based on conditions in the village and to find the right strategy for development and empowerment of inclusive rural communities so that the community can take advantage of the opportunity that are open through digitalization. The method used is descriptive qualitative based on published data and interview questionnaire. Case study taken including Bali, West Nusa Tenggara, and East Nusa Tenggara, which are then analyzed to conclude a digital transformation strategy from the perspective of inclusive development and empowerment of rural communities. In general, the main problem that make rural community helpless are economic factors and the difficulty of infrastructure. In addition, some have problem with social exclusion. This problem causes many village people to be helpless because they are unable to get out of this condition, especially for the marginalized, in this case the poor, people with disabilities, and women. So, the pattern of empowerment needed is carried out in stage and begin with inclusive empowerment for individual village community. And after that, the individual is empowered in a group base of common interest. Village community are given an increase in individual competence that can be done anywhere without having to pay too much attention to the condition of infrastructure and geographical location as well as physical and gender limitation. The internet can be a solution to this problem because with the internet everything can be connected and village people can work from their respective homes, create work, and generate income through the internet, both through goods and services business. The main requirement, of course, is the existence of internet coverage and the ability of the community to apply computer, smartphone, and their application. Based on data from Central Statistic Agency of Indonesia, every year there is an increase in people who control the use of telephones, and the growth is in line with those in cities. Signal coverage is also mostly 4G LTE. Based on data obtained through questionnaire from 51 people consisting of villager and community facilitators spread across Bali, West Nusa Tenggara, and East Nusa Tenggara, the following information was obtained. Most are familiar with the internet. Most signal are already 4G LTE. Most know social media. Most are familiar with YouTube. Most of them know and make transactions online. Most have never sold service via the internet. And based of respondent input regarding the opportunity to involve the marginalized through information technology, 49% said it was big and 29.4% said it was very big. Besides that, the interest of the village community toward digitalization reached 88.2%. And the need for community empowerment related to digitalization reached 98%. So, it can be concluded the rural community have a high interest in digitalization. Besides, that there are opportunity to involve marginalized community, and there are business opportunity for goods such as opening online shop to sell handicraft as well as village superior product, and can also sell services that can be done via the internet with taking advantage of various platforms available, so that it is necessary to increase skill in the field of technology for the community. The digital transformation strategy from the perspective of development and inclusive empowerment of village community can be pursued through a planning system in the village. Community needs are programmed and realized so the people can adapt to digital technology so that they can do business in goods and services by utilizing digital media, both individually and in group. Even the result can be utilized by village-owned enterprise or BUMDESA in Indonesia to generate village original income, which of course will have an impact on village development.
Di Desa Suwok banyak anak-anak yang berpotensi di bidang digital. Di sini karena banyak anak-anak yang hobinya seperti itu, tetapi gurunya belum ada.
Peluang masyarakat di sini untuk penerapan digitalisasi di sektor pemberdayaan memungkinkan nggak kira-kira? Kalau saya lihat masyarakatnya adaptif sekali, bisa bikin model-model seperti ini, terus juga bisa menerapkan pemanfaatan dari sisi online dan lain sebagainya. Itu memang cepat ya mereka belajar sini.
Kalau kebetulan kalau anak-anak muda kami di desa itu memang larinya sekarang ke IT lebih cenderung banyak. Makanya kita kaitkan dengan kegiatan pergerakan itu berkaitan dengan teknologi apa gunanya, posisian tekniknya salah satunya ini alat kita ciptakan untuk merakit lah. Ini kan salah satu tangki bekas, kita modif biar bisa kita sesuaikan dengan kegiatan.
Berarti ada peluang untuk digitalisasi di desanya?
Sangat besar sekali peluang.